Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today I want to do a really quick tag video. I was tagged by the wonderful Mrs. Koi Style Review on Instagram. She does a lot of IGTV and Instagram styling content. I am not as well versed in the IGTV world, so I thought I would just do this on YouTube, which is the platform that I prefer to use and I'm used to it. It is the most used, least used, and cutest bag tag. So you'll see there are some items on the side here that I will go through and I hope you enjoy. All right, so the first item is the most used bag, and that will by far be one of my Chanel mini bags that I have, and it is in this dust bag right here. It is my Chanel mini flap in the Chevron PVC overlay and the So Black hardware. Let me take the dust bag out. I guess you get a little sneak peek of how I store my bags too. So this is the handbag. I consider this to be my most used item because I use it a lot. It actually was kind of difficult for me to think of one to put as my most used, mostly because I make a pretty conscious effort to rotate through my bags and to pick a bag that I feel like goes the best with my outfit that day. But this bag is so versatile, which is why I have to select it as one of my most used bags. It is very understated with the So Black hardware, which is what I love. It has the PVC overlay, which makes it great for all types of weathers. It's a black bag, so it goes with all of my outfits. I tend to wear a lot of black and neutral colors, and it's not too seasonal. If I carry this in the dead of winter, it doesn't look off. And if I carried it in the dead of summer, it also doesn't look off. So it is just the perfect size for me to carry all of my essentials. And it is very versatile in how you can carry it. You have the long strap for it to be crossbody. You can wear it over your shoulder, of course, with the long strap. I like to fold it over and make it more of like a shoulder bag, so I can put it over my shoulder or in the crook of my arm. It is a great size for all day going out and as well as evenings. So just with the versatility and the carefree aspect of this bag, this is definitely my most used handbag. All right, moving on to my least used handbag. That's actually the one that's in this pink dust bag right here. I don't think I've ever featured this bag on my channel. That's how much I don't use it. But it is actually this Miu Miu bag. I actually forgot the name of this style, but I will write it down below. And this is a gorgeous Miu Miu style and a beautiful red color. It is a deep red, not so much a fire engine red, but a little bit more of a earthy tone to it. It has gold hardware. It has the detachable long strap at the top handles. The back looks like this. The bottom has some feet, and it opens with a push button closure. You'll see I have my newspaper stuffing. If you want to see how I store my bags, just let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to do that kind of video too. I wonder if some people are curious. So this is my least used bag. It is also the first handbag that I ever purchased. It was the first luxury handbag that I ever purchased with money that I had made on my own. And so because of the sentimental value, it will always be a handbag that stays in my collection forever. But yeah, it is, it's really cute. And I know Miu Miu, this style of bag had a really hot moment in the early 2010s, 20-teens. So it had a hot moment then, and I know Miu Miu has kind of evolved its style a little bit, though it does stay true to a lot of this, I don't know what this is called, but this ruching kind of style that they have with their bags. Though I don't wear it as often as I would like, I do keep it in my collection because of the sentimental value. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the bag. It actually fits a lot. Like, it looks like it's a pretty small bag, it looks like it's pretty mini, but it can fit all of my essentials and a small umbrella and some extra space on top of that. So it's definitely a great handbag to use for every day. And the last category is the cutest handbag. I've honestly had a really hard time narrowing down what the cutest handbag would be in my collection, because I feel like so many of them are, or really all of them are really cute to me. But maybe because of the fall season rolling in and all of that, there's a particular one that did stand out, and that is this guy right here. So it's another Chanel item, and it is my Tweed medium flat bag. This is in the like blue, red, and metallic silver, almost a plaid tweed. It has the champagne gold shiny hardware, and it is navy lambskin on the inside, and it is a single flap, as you can see. And this bag stands out to me the most because of how many compliments I get every time I wear this bag. I know there are like so many gorgeous Chanel bags and things like that, but on my other bags, I don't really get any comments from like strangers, you know, but this bag, that I've had a number of people who would stop me and just say how much they really liked my bag and that it's like really unique, and that it like just all the compliments really flow with this bag. So there's a pocket in the back. So I think because it's also the fall season and I'll start wearing this a lot more, it definitely stood out in my mind as one of my cutest bags. The one that kind of garners some additional attention and gets a lot of compliments from people on the street. And I did do a more in-depth like what's in my bag and first impressions if you're curious to learn more about this bag. Alright, so I know this is a really quick video, but that was my most used, least used, and cutest handbag in my collection. Thought it was a really fun and like quick video to do. In terms of tagging some other folks, if you are interested in doing this tag, then I definitely tag you to do it. Leave a comment down below if you've done this video. I'd love to see what your most used, least used, and cutest handbag is. In particular, Rochelle stands out in my mind. I don't know if you've already done this video, so if you haven't, then I'll tag you. If you have any questions on any of these items that I've shown, feel free to leave them down below, or head on over to Instagram, where I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video and you like tag videos, feel free to tag me in other videos and I'd be happy to do those for you as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. I am marching close to 500 subscribers, which is really mind-blowing to me. So I really thank each and every one of you who has subscribed to my channel. I am thinking about doing some kind of event when I hit that milestone, so please stay tuned for that. If you like this kind of content, I post videos every Sunday. If you'd like to be one of the first to know, then feel free to subscribe. So until next time,